Thanks to Ben Collins, we can explain how minimum threshold values are so easy to calculate but can also provide quite important information. When the specific value doesn't matter beyond a threshold, it just gets set to that threshold value. The first step is to open your Google Sheets and enter the data for which you want to enter the minimum threshold values. Click into the cell where you want the minimum threshold value formulas to begin. Decide on the minimum value to use for your data. In this example, we'll use 100. The cell reference is the first cell with your original data. Type equals, min, left parenthesis, 100, comma, A2, right parenthesis. You may see as you type that Sheets will anticipate a range for your formula. However, we will also get a suggested autofill, and in this example, we'll use the suggested autofill tool instead. Click the check, or use Ctrl plus Enter, to accept the autofill. Minimum threshold formulas are valuable tools for decision-making and quality assurance in various fields, helping to ensure that criteria are satisfied before proceeding with further actions. Thanks Ben Collins, that's it. You're done.